Can you see the city of Colombo with all those high-rise buildings behind me? Today is very clear and visible. There had never been visibility like this. I can very sharply recognize all the buildings, very clear indeed, because there is no pollution. There is no vehicles coming to the city. City is absolutely clean air. Though there is a misty on the clouds, but the city is visible from Dehiwala beach, miles away. I can recognize all the buildings very sharply, very clearly, mainly because of the fact that there is no vehicle emissions and the pollution. We are able to see things. Sometimes it is we who cloud things, that we are unable to see things properly. They're saying, seeing is believing. But I would say, when you do your proper rightful things, you'll be able to see things properly, like this. You can see sometimes our actions blinds us. We are failing to see the truth, the reality. We are failing to see because it's clouded with our own deliberate actions, the negative things which we have brought in, particularly the number of vehicles that are coming to the city, obviously, the buses, the three-wheelers, all these things really create abnormal air, and that's what we breathe. If you want the fresh air to breathe, and I feel very fresh when I come in the morning to the beach and breathe the fresh air in the beach. But when you go to the city, it is not so. It's very difficult because the kind of actions we have done. We have committed various things which has resulted in the current condition of for us not to see things properly, not to understand things. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see things properly, make sure it is your own actions that enable you to see things. Sometimes it is we who cover our own eyes with blindness, with our own actions. It is not only seeing is believing, but doing the rightful things for us to see. If we can prevent this kind of cloudy kind of appearances before us, so that I can see everything very clearly, very properly, so that we can take the rightful actions in our behavior. It is not only seeing is believing, it is when we do things rightfully, we will be able to see things. Because when you do right things at the right time, the right way, the clouds of darkness, the clouds of pollution, the clouds of negativity will be cleared. Then you will be able to see it properly and take the right decision at the right time.